Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your carrier and SIM must support VO LTE and your plan must include it. Once done, update the phone operating system and carrier settings so provisioning and SIP parameters match carrier expectations. Then check mobile data is enabled and set the preferred network to LTE or 4G. Without data over LTE, VO LTE can't register. You're doing these steps now to let the phone authenticate and present the VO LTE option in system menus. Next, focus on the network and device settings. You should toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh attach to the LTE network. This often triggers IMS registration. Then verify APN and IMS-related settings. If you changed them previously, make sure they match carrier defaults or restore them. If uncertainty remains, test the same SIM in another VO LTE-capable phone. That isolates whether the problem is the SIM/account or the handset itself. These steps narrow down the root cause quickly. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm IMS registration and that VO LTE is provisioned for your number. Carriers can push configuration updates remotely. If the carrier confirms provision, but VO LTE still won't appear, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears corrupted settings that block IMS. If that fails, request a SIM swap or ask the carrier to escalate to technical support. Troubleshooting tip. If VO LTE works on another phone with your SIM, the handset is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.